stand to your loads, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 130.
Ladies and gentlemen, now you can start to get involved on that mark of 130 down from there. Young Josh Adamson, his dad's the veteran. He'll be watching, giving a good tuition from the sideline, Gary. So Josh Adamson on tree number 2, going back down the field. Tree number 3, we've got Campbell Newman from Queensland down to there, and Hayden Hewitt. 3-4, we've got Michael Sadler from New South Wales, 3-5. We've got Mitchell Scribner from Yarrowitch, New South Wales, on 3-6, 3-7 road change from Victoria. And we've got Jake Hewitt from British Columbia, up to Bay on tree number 8. Variations in age and experience, they will all want to go through and get to the top. Just have a good look, ladies and gentlemen, at the way in which they get the leverage. The feet go right out to the end of that board as they put the middle tongue in. They'll put a few cuts in, you can see it, so go. You've got a gap to close, and so every opportunity to do it is the Tasmanian Daniel Gurr up here on number 1. Watch as he goes, he'll walk you through the field as he takes the board. All eyes on number 1 to see if he closes the gap on the Tasmanian. 1, 2, 3. Keep your eye on the axe. 4. Has a look, throws the axe, grabs the ball. Down from him, we've got Josh Adamson from Queensland. He's up into the top of the tree. They've made that front. Others of them now starting to close the gap to produce a winner. Michael Sadler on 3-5. Mitchell Scribner 3-6. All of them capable axemen. And they've got the duration to do it. Some with more experience than others, and it'll make all the difference. We get to the top of the tree. Will we go across and keep an eye on number 2 there? Young Josh Adamson from Queensland. Down there, the young fellow Hewitt, Hayden Hewitt on number 4. Keep your eye on Daniel Gurr from Tasmania. We had 130 to start on. Then we go down there and make our way along the line on number 5 there. Michael Sadler. He's going to run down from that. We'll have a look and see how we go. Then we go down to young Mitchell Scribner on tree number 6. Got Lane Chand on tree number 7 and Jake Hewitt down on tree number 8. It is an exciting sport. They like to hear from you. Give them a little bit of noise out there. Make some sound. And we'll continue to make our way along the line. Good hard pass work is the tree. Always a favourite. We're looking to the top of the tree as you start to know they come through and they start to make a little rock and roll and movement. See how we go with young Mitchell Scribner. Tree number 6, and down from there the Victorian Lane Camp. Down from there from the British Columbia is young Jake Hewitt. Eyes on the bottom tree as we start to have a look at the completion. There we go, we'll be happy with that then, Jake. And then let's make our way down on 3-7. All eyes at the moment on the Victorian lad, Lane Chand. So keep your eye on young Lane. Started with a mark of 19. We zoom in on him on the big screen. And when we get through the completion of this, it'll move shortly. We want to hear you all over our showgrounds. There you go. Very well done. I'll get their breath back. Congratulations. We'll be back with you very shortly. Now we have a little recess or break, which we'll be back with a standing clock this afternoon. So we'll find something good to eat, drink, relax a little, and we will be back around about 1 o'clock.